Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to see what happens when you put Coca-Cola into liquid nitrogen. The Coca-Cola is at room temperature, about 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and the liquid nitrogen, of course, is a freezing 320 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. So let's pour some Coke into the liquid nitrogen and let's see what happens. Let that boil in there for a little bit. The Coke is frozen inside the liquid nitrogen. So I'm going to pour out the liquid nitrogen and see what has happened to the Coke. The Coke is totally frozen from the liquid nitrogen. I don't know if I can bang that loose or not. Totally and completely frozen Coke. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.